many Green parties just love nuclear energy power. Traditionally, Green parties have been opposed to nuclear power due to their concerns about nuclear waste, the risks of accidents, and the association with nuclear weapons. However, as concerns about climate change continue to grow, many Green politicians are reconsidering nuclear energy as a low-carbon alternative to fossil fuels. Here are some examples of Green parties showing their support for nuclear energy. 1. The Swedish Green Party has shifted to a more pragmatic stance, recognizing nuclear as a potential tool for achieving climate goals. 2. Finland's Green League has supported the construction of nuclear reactors to ensure a stable low-carbon energy supply. The need for energy security and emissions reduction has led the party to become more open to nuclear energy. 3. Germany's Green Party, since the 2022 energy crisis caused by the Russia-Ukraine war, has started to support the idea of nuclear power as part of the energy mix. 4. The Belgian Green Party has signaled flexibility in extending the life of their nuclear plants as part of a transitional strategy to meet climate goals. While some Green parties do still oppose nuclear energy, many individuals and politicians are reconsidering its role in a decarbonized energy future. Our Sun is a giant natural nuclear fusion bomb, a natural thermonuclear reactor that converts hydrogen to helium in its core to produce light. And also the heat that we sense on our faces as sunshine. Our Sun has enough hydrogen to continue burning for another 5 billion years. Without the Sun, without this nuclear bomb, without this nuclear reactor, life on Earth would die. Everyone loves this nuclear reactor, including every Green party in the world. It all boils down to how we harness, control, and distribute the Sun's energy, and so it's exactly the same for man-made nuclear power plants. Nuclear energy is good, no need for selective hypocrisy. Nuclear energy has several significant advantages, especially when considered in the context of transitioning to low-carbon energy sources. 1. Nuclear energy is a low-carbon energy source, emitting very little carbon dioxide compared to fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. Over the life cycle from uranium mining to waste disposal, nuclear power emits less carbon than renewable energy sources like wind and solar. This makes nuclear energy a valuable tool in helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions. 2. Nuclear energy is enormously energy dense. A very small amount of nuclear fuel, uranium or plutonium, can produce a massive amount of energy. For example, a single uranium pellet about the size of a fingertip can produce as much energy as 1 ton of coal or 149 gallons of oil. 3. Nuclear energy is a reliable and continuous source of power. Unlike many renewable energy sources such as wind and solar, which are intermittent and dependent on weather conditions, nuclear power plants can operate continuously, providing stable energy 24/7, and typically run for long periods, 18 months to 2 years, before needing to be refueled. 4. Nuclear energy can be used to produce clean hydrogen, which is seen as a critical fuel for the future of transportation and industry. High-temperature reactors could produce hydrogen more efficiently than other methods, helping to decarbonize sectors like heavy industry and transportation. When viewed from the perspective of providing reliable low-carbon power, nuclear energy remains the best option for many countries. Thank you for listening. Geraint, on behalf of WhangāreiTim.